Hi, I'm Dr. Carlo Mauro, founder of ConstipationReliefForWomen.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a potent tea that will not only help your bowels move regularly, but will also get rid of your gas, bloating, and indigestion. And don't worry, it's not addicting like the other laxative teas you've already tried. And best of all, it only takes a few minutes to make. Now today, I'm only going to talk about one of my constipation relief strategies, but I have many more. So if you're interested in getting more constipation relief strategies, go download my free report at ConstipationReliefForWomen.com. Now let me ask you a question. What kind of tea do you drink for your constipation? Most constipated people do drink tea, but unfortunately, it's the wrong type of tea. Sure, senna tea will make you have a bowel movement, but it often creates the opposite problem. You go from being constipated to having diarrhea. Sometimes this, what I call diarrhea tea, may only give you a 30-second warning. Now that's fine if you're at home, 10 feet from your bathroom, but not so great when you're at work or on the road driving to your son or daughter's hockey or soccer game. So in constipation relief strategy number 7, I want to show you how to make a potent ginger tea that will help you with your digestive tract. Now, I can't help but laugh when people tell me they drink ginger ale for their upset stomach. The name itself is very deceiving because there's absolutely no ginger in ginger ale. Plus all that sugar. Definitely not the best thing for your gut. The ginger tea I'm going to teach you how to make is far more powerful than any ginger ale. You'll notice the difference both in taste and results almost immediately. Raw ginger root can be found at any local supermarket. This is what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. Another great thing is, it's very cheap. You can buy a big chunk of it for less than $1. As a matter of fact, last week I bought a small piece and it cost me about 17 cents. Now, I recommend getting the fresh raw ginger as you'll get more of an effect on your GI tract versus the powdered ginger. But if all they have is powdered, then it's better than nothing. Potent ginger tea recipe. First, boil 3 cups of water in a pot. Then, grate or dice about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger root. First, shave the skin off. Then add the diced ginger root to the boiling water and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and make sure it's covered. Strain the ginger, pour it in a cup and let it cool. If you wish, you can stir in the juice of about a quarter squeezed lemon as well. Drink about 2 or 3 cups per day. You can drink it hot or at room temperature, but please don't drink it cold. It's not good for the GI tract. Now, I suggest you make a batch each day with maybe half the amount of water and then add boiling water to portion when you want to enjoy a cup. Remember, you can also use small amounts of ginger when cooking. Just grate it into rice, add it to vegetables before baking or stir frying, or even add it to your oatmeal in the morning for a ginger cookie taste. Important, ginger is one of those ingredients where the more the better doesn't really apply. If you make it too spicy, it can cause stomach upset, maybe even ulcer, and a burned out feeling in your stomach. So make sure it's potent, but not too potent. If you find it too strong, respect your body's message and add more water to your current batch to make it a bit weaker. So why does ginger tea work? Well, first of all, ginger's been used throughout Asia for a few thousand years to help with digestion. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory and an antispasmodic action, which encourages the contractions that push food through your intestines. It also prevents the formation of gas. As well, it fights off unhealthy bacteria that can encourage constipation, as well as produce a lot of foul gas. Bottom line, ginger tea is a safe, natural, and non-addicting tea that can help eliminate your digestive troubles. So if you're interested about getting rid of constipation, gas, bloating, and indigestion, start drinking ginger tea every day. Let me know how it goes. You can email me at care@constipationreliefforwomen.com. Since starting my naturopathic practice in the year 2000, I've recommended this simple yet effective tip, as well as many other constipation relief strategies, to thousands of women, not just my patients, but women from across the world. And I've heard many success stories. I recommend you go read them on my website, constipationreliefforwomen.com. I think it'll encourage you as you read these stories about women who were just like you, some with very severe constipation. They became regular again by just applying a few of my constipation relief strategies. So if you're interested in getting more constipation relief strategies, please go download my free report at constipationreliefforwomen.com.